How to install Realtek audio driver on your Windows 11 or 10. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go to quick and easy on how you can install Realtek audio driver on Windows 10 and 11. Well, first things first, you'll have to download the driver itself. To do so, you can head over to your browser in either Chrome or any browser, and you want to search in for Realtek audio driver. Now you can either head into www.realtek.com directly, or you can head to this link, or you can see the down below intel.com. Now I'll be heading right into the top one here, PC audio codecs and software. Then from the description you can read here, you'll find the particular version here, either for 64-bit, for Windows 7, 8, 10 driver, or if it is for 11, you should be able to find it down below somewhere. Then either ways, you can simply go ahead and press on one and click on download icon here, and you can proceed to accept to the above and download this file. Once it's been downloaded, you want to track the download from your download tabs and then double click on it to go through the installation process. Once you have completed the installation, you'll get the option to install the driver as well, which you can proceed to install as well. So this is how you can install Realtek audio driver on your Windows either 10 and 11. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.